We've woken up to a real proper Gobi blizzard, and it started just as we were going to bed last night, and it continued all the way through the night, and it's just crazy. The snow is just pounding across the plains here, and there's everything outside. Come on, son. Woo! Whoa, the tent is going over! So we're in this one heck of a blizzard here.
Here's Leon, trying to take down his tent. There's my tent actually falling over. My trousers are falling down. This is a serious situation. Dance manoeuvres and kung fu to warm up. The road is kind of that way, somewhere over there. So we need to get to the road. Hope the road is still visible. If it's not, we're kind of in trouble. I think we might have to wait till the storm passes, and then hopefully in the next valley this storm will give us some respite. You're cold even when you're moving really fast, using a lot of energy up, generating heat, and yet you're still cold, and that's a pretty scary feeling.
It's really tough, and we just got to keep moving as fast as we can, but every so often we need to stop and run around to get some heat up, and the filming is just so hard. Even cleaning the lens is one of the biggest things, but we're moving, and that's good.
We're running out of food, and all our water, apart from a tiny bit in our thermos, is completely frozen, so we're really quite an extreme situation. And we're 3 days from the border, so we've just got to keep on going.